Welcome friends, this is Dr. Prashant Patel, Jain College of Engineering, Belagavi. Please subscribe my channel, leave the comments and also don't forget to hit the like button. In this video, we are discussing on inverse Laplace transforms. Some different type of example on this I'm going to do here. Okay, use convolution theorem to evaluate inverse Laplace transform of s square divided by s square plus a square, the whole square is there. Now I can write this one as inverse Laplace transform of s square divided by s square plus a square the square. I can split it into two terms as a product as inverse transform of s divided by s square plus a square into s divided by s square plus a square. I will compare this one with inverse Laplace transform of f of s into g of s. Therefore, my f of s will become s divided by s square plus a square, whereas g of s is also same. Then it's f of t I want to apply the convolution. Okay, to get f of t, it is inverse Laplace transform of capital F of s. Inverse Laplace transform of s divided by s square plus a square, that is nothing but cos at. Correct? Inverse Laplace transform of s square plus a square is cos at, and which is also equal to g of t also. Okay, both g of t and f of t are both are one and the same. Using them and convolution, I will find the inverse Laplace transform of this one. Now inverse Laplace transform of s square divided by s square plus a square the whole square will become inverse Laplace transform of f of s into g of s, that is f of t convolution g of t. This one we know by the convolution theorem. Then f of t convolution g of t is defined to be integration from 0 to t f of t minus u into g of u du, or commutative also holds good here. Now substituting this and evaluating integration from 0 to t f of t minus u, g f of t and g of t are both one and the same. Cos at is my f of t, therefore f of t minus u will become cos of a into t minus u into g of u. G of t is cos at, g of u is cos au into du. This one I have to integrate. To integrate this one, cos into cos is there. Therefore, I have to express this one into addition of terms by using the cos a into cos b formula. Cos a into cos b is 1 by 2 times cos of a plus b plus cos of a minus b. Okay, this one I have to use here. Okay, using this I am going to get integration from 0 to t 1 by 2 times cos of a plus b. Cos of a is at minus au is my a, and b is au plus cos of a minus b, at minus au minus au. This one is integrable now. Okay, now simply one more term I can write and then integrate 0 to t cos of au cancels at plus cos of here at minus 2au into du. I am integrating with respect to u here. Therefore, it is 1 by 2 into integration of cos at with respect to u. At, cos at is constant now, into u is its integration, plus integration of cos. Don't write here sine because cos at is acting as your constant. Now here it is au term is containing, that's why I have to integrate. Cos will become sine. Integration of cos is sine at minus 2au whole divided by 2a. This between the limits 0 to t. This one I have to use upper limit minus lower limit and I have to evaluate. Now 1 by 2 into upper limit first, u equal to t, that is t cos 80 plus sin 80 minus 280 whole divided by 2a. This is my upper limit minus lower limit, u equal to 0 I have to substitute, that is 0 plus sine of 80 minus 0 divided by 2a. Simplify this, I will get my required answer. 1 by 2 into t cos 80, okay, t cos 80 and sine of 80 minus 280 will become sine of minus 280. But sine of minus today is minus, therefore I will take minus outside, sine 80 divided by 2a. Is clear? Then here minus sine 80 divided by 2a. Therefore 2 times sine 80 divided by 2a. I am simplifying this one. 1 by 2 into t cos 80 minus 2 times sine 80 divided by 2a. Then 2 cancels and a I can take LCM as 1 by 2a outside, and here will become 80 cos 80 minus sine 80. Okay, this is the inverse Laplace transform of s square divided by s square, sorry, a square plus s square the whole square. Okay, this is my required answer. Like this, another example, same type, but here it is of 2 terms different. I am going to solve here. Please subscribe my channel, give the comments, and also don't forget to hit the bell icon so that my next another example, last example on convolution I am going to do here. Find the inverse Laplace transform of s square divided by s square plus a square into s square plus b square. I will split this inverse Laplace transform as s square divided by s square plus a square into s square plus b square as inverse Laplace transform of s divided by s square plus a square into s divided, s 2 terms are there, therefore s square plus b square. Therefore my f of s, this is equivalent to f of s into g of s to apply convolution. Therefore f of s is nothing but s divided by s square plus a square. Therefore my f of t is inverse Laplace transform of s divided by s square plus a square, that is cos 80. Similarly g of s is s square divided by s square plus b square. My g of t will become inverse Laplace transform of s square divided by, sorry, s divided by, not s square, s divided by s square plus b square. Therefore it is nothing but cos bt. Okay, f of t is cos 80 and f of g of t is cos bt. Using them I have to find the inverse Laplace transform and convolution. Therefore inverse Laplace transform of s square divided by s square plus a square into s square plus b square is equal to inverse Laplace transform of f of s into g of s, that is nothing but f of t convolution g of t. And how to define that convolution? That is defined by integration from 0 to t f of t minus u into g of u du, or you can interchange them also. Okay, now I can write them as integration from 0 to t f of t minus u. My f of t is a cos 80, therefore it will become cos of a into t minus u, okay, a into t minus u into g of u will become cos of bu into du. Again it is a product of cos a into cos b, therefore I can use the formula for cos a into cos b to convert the product of two terms into addition of two terms as 1 by 2 into cos of a plus b plus cos of a minus b I can use. This will become 1 integration from 0 to t 1 by 2 times cos of a plus b, cos of at minus au plus bu. Am I right? This is at minus au plus bu and minus plus cos of at minus au minus au bu into du. Okay, this one I have to integrate with respect to u now. Let me integrate 1 by 1 here, 1 by 2 outside, then integration of cos of at minus au plus bu with respect to u will become sine of at, I am taking u common here, that will become plus b minus a into u. Therefore its integration also will become b minus a divided by. For second term it is also like that same, sine of at minus of a plus b into u I am taking. Therefore it is divided by I can write it as b plus a or a plus b, one and the same. Okay, minus also, that is also important, between the limits 0 to t. Now substitute upper limit minus lower limit and try to simplify this one. Okay, u equal to I am substituting. This will become 1 by 2 into upper limit u equal to t. This becomes sine at minus plus u equal to t, that is 1 minute here. Okay, in the same thing I will substitute bt minus at divided by, I am splitting again this one, and here b minus a as it is, plus upper limit t I am substituting here, I will take this one as minus here, sine of at minus bt divided by a plus b. This is my upper limit substitution minus lower limit substitution. Lower limit is u equal to 0, therefore it will become sine, this will become 0, therefore sine at divided by b minus a minus sine of here u will become 0 again, sine at divided by a plus b. Okay, simplify this, then I am going to get 1 by 2 times here minus 80 cancels, we will get sine of bt divided by b minus a, and here again 80 cancels, minus sine bt, sine of minus bt, minus of minus again, plus sine bt divided by a plus b. This is first term, and here minus sine at divided by b minus a, minus of minus, plus sine at divided by a plus b. Okay, now I am coming to the final answer type here, 1 by 2 into, and here sine bt I am taking common, and LCM is b minus a, that is b minus a into b square minus a square, correct, b square minus a square, and here it will become a plus b minus a, and next minus I am taking sine at common. Okay, I am taking sine at common, and LCM will come again b square minus a square, minus is taken common means this will become a plus b, this will become minus b plus a, because minus is multiplied answer. Therefore here what it cancels, a cancels, and here b cancels, therefore I can write final n by 2 into 1 by 2 into 2 b 2b sin bt divided by b square minus a square minus sin at into 2a divided by b square minus a square. And final answer, I can simplified form, I can write it as inverse Laplace transform of s square divided by s square plus a square into s square plus b square is equal to, this 2 I can multiply inside, and 1 divided by b square minus a square I am taking common, and I can write it as b sin bt minus a sin at. Okay, this is my required final answer. Like this. Okay, next I am solving the differential equations using the Laplace transforms. Please subscribe my channel, give the comments, and also don't forget to hit the like button. Thank you, friends.